Hello everyone! Welcome back to Mango & Co's Patterns. My name is Marcy and in today's video, I'll be showing you how to sew a 90s style bikini bottom. But first off, follow Mango & Coast on Instagram and Facebook for new pattern updates, promos, and giveaways. I've added some new patterns on the shop, so check it out and sew along with me. Let's get started! Now, you want to make sure you cut your pattern pieces horizontally in the direction of the greater stretch. And keep in mind that you need a 1/4 inch rubber or braided elastic. So here I have my self pieces and lining pieces. First, I will start by pinning my self pieces together at the gusset and sides. And I'll be doing the same for my lining pieces. Using a 1/4 inch seam allowance, I will sew a zigzag stitch across these areas. And then, trimming off the excess seam. Now, I'm turning my self piece right side out. Next step, I'll be inserting the lining, which is still on the wrong side, inside my self piece. I am now aligning the gussets and sides and pinning down. And then I'll continue to pin all around the entire bikini bottom. As I am sewing on a regular sewing machine, I will zigzag stitch at the very edge of my entire bikini. If you have a faux overlock stitch on your sewing machine, you can use that. After this step, your bikini bottom should look like this. Turn your bikini inside out. Now it's time to sew on our elastic. I'll be sewing elastic around the front leg holes and waist. Starting by placing my elastic on the gusset area. When sewing, tug the elastic slightly so your bikini bottoms will fit snug. Don't pull too much or else the bikini bottom will curl. If you are sewing with rubber elastic, use a wider zigzag stitch. This will prevent it from tearing apart. So I'm done sewing the elastic. Now I am turning the bottoms right side out. I am folding down the elastic edge like so, and I'll be top stitching the entire bikini bottom with a zigzag stitch. For the back leg holes, you will fold them a 1/4 inch and pin. As I am sewing, I am using a 1/4 inch seam allowance, and I'll be carefully folding down as I go and top stitching. And now the ghillie bottoms are done. And that concludes the end of this tutorial. If you'd like to sew this style, the pattern is available at the link below in sizes extra small to XXL. Follow me on Instagram at Mango & Coast for new swimwear patterns and other updates. Happy sewing!